Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be unboxing the Huntsmen Mini. This is with the optical mechanical switches and 60% form factor, double shot keycaps, and it's going to be with the linear switches. So these ones have not been available for the public in a very long time, so let's just get it open real quick. I think there is actually a seal right here. I'll just take it off with my finger. Screw it, dude. This is just going to be a pretty quick unboxing. Here, let me just put you guys down for a second. I know this is really scuffed, guys, but I really want to get this open. Okay. Alright. So here it is. Oh, man. Yeah, I am. Give me a second, Teddy. So here's the keyboard. 60% form factor, so it's tiny. Here it is compared to my Red Dragon 552K, which is 60%. You can see how big it is, or how small it is. Right, and we're gonna. You guys want a little shy up action? Hey, 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 hey. Yeah. So there's a hap shive. And let's just get it out of the plastic real quick. Oh my goodness. It's so elegant. Okay, so this is the linear switches, so I'll do a small typing test. Oh, they feel so smooth. And then here's these. These are with MX Blue switches. I went from MX Blue to this. Let's do this. Spacebar. Anyways, I'm super excited about this. Oh, also in the box is the cable. I know you guys have probably seen like 30 unboxing videos of this already, so I'm just gonna keep it short and simple. You know, pretty nice braided USB Type-C cable right here. And then the other side, there's the USB Type-C. Alright, I'm going to do a quick typing test. I know this is literally with a phone, so it's going to be really shit, but it doesn't really matter because this is Scuffed Unboxings after all. Alright, thanks for watching the video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more Scuffed Unboxings. Oh, and in addition to that, I got the Glorious PC Gaming Race 60% gaming wrist mat. So I've got that right there as well. I'm not going to have it turned on because that's going to take a long time and I can't really edit on my phone. I know this is really scuffed, but this is kind of the best I could do, and I hope you guys like the video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.